Every good and perfect thing needs a little help sometimes. And our Extension Master Gardener program, like so many other volunteer programs, needs a little help to continue. We want it to grow stronger over time and just get bigger and do more projects. We need some help with that. And an endowment is a natural fit in the university setting to help us sustain this volunteer program. With that, we want all our donors to know how important they are to us. And Branch and Bloom is a way for us to recognize them for their support and show our appreciation, to say thank you for sustaining our program. Their role in Branch and Bloom really does make them part of our Extension Master Gardener program. Having funds from this endowment helps us expand the program, helps us ensure that we remain true to our beginning, Extension, training these volunteers, mentoring these volunteers to do these community projects. So I think any volunteer program has a ripple effect. A good program should have a ripple effect, right? Connects a lot of things together. We've got volunteers that are passionate about something. In our case, we're about local activities, so we're helping people. I think it's a great example of the land grant mission. You know, we're starting with a training that is rooted at the university. It's research-based information. And then they take that and the multiplier effect takes effect. That's that ripple. And whether it's an educational program at the library or a project at a community garden or a school or a park, it just extends that even further, takes that knowledge, that research-based knowledge even further. The State Association made the initial gift of $12,500 to kick us off and get this endowment started. And so from there, and not to reuse a garden phrase, but it just kind of had a natural growth from there. Once that happened, then it became something much bigger.